I get asked this a lot. What is Copilot? Well, Copilot can do a lot of different things for you, like create different icebreakers. It can help you to start a sentence or to start a conversation or even learn a new word in Spanish. It's an assistant. It's an intelligent assistant that allows you to use that assistant to help you do creative things. It's kind of like having somebody sit beside you and teach you something or show you something different or help you brainstorm. And it's found in a lot of different programs like Word or Excel. It's not just limited to a website. You can get it to do all kinds of different things, like do advanced analysis or something as simple as create a list of things that your team has to do or rewrite something or reword something or just something as simple as being able to take a note. In email, you have it for coaching and you can get it to draft different emails, and there's even settings that you can apply and go through to make it sound, well, more like you.